Ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of investment options out there? Robo-advisors are changing the game, offering automated investment plans tailored to your goals. But with so many choices, it's crucial to understand who's behind the wheel. Building context. Let's take StashAway, a popular robo-advisor in Southeast Asia. They boast a unique, data-driven approach to investing. But who's the mastermind behind this innovative platform? The CEO, the captain of the ship, plays a vital role in shaping StashAway's vision and strategy. Shifting focus. Today, we're not diving deep into StashAway's investment strategies. Instead, we're on a mission to uncover the leader who steers this financial ship. So, buckle up, because we're about to find out who is the CEO of StashAway. Research and reveal. To answer this burning question, we embarked on a research expedition. Our intel suggests that StashAway is led by a team of co-founders, not a single CEO. This collaborative approach is quite interesting, as it allows for diverse perspectives and expertise at the helm. Exploring the team. Let's introduce the key players. Meng Hang, co-founder, a seasoned entrepreneur with a background in finance and technology. Alexander Friedrich, co-founder, a data science guru with a passion for using algorithms to build smarter investment tools. Freddy Hamza, co-founder, a marketing whiz who ensures StashAway reaches the right audience. Leadership structure. This co-founder model suggests a shared leadership approach. Each founder likely plays a crucial role in their area of expertise, working together to guide StashAway's success. Benefits of co-foundership. This collaborative leadership style offers several advantages. It fosters a culture of innovation and diverse thinking. Additionally, each co-founder brings unique strengths to the table, creating a well-rounded leadership team. There you have it. StashAway isn't helmed by a single CEO, but by a trio of co-founders, each bringing their A-game to the table. This collaborative approach is a unique aspect of StashAway's leadership structure. Call to action. Do you think co-founder leadership models are effective? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.